Coming to the next topic is ECMO. Hope you all might know what is an ECMO, which is extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, meaning it performs a function as that of a heart and that of a lung, where oxygenation is being done and at the same time purification is also being done. This procedure is being done at the time of where the patient is highly unstable and where there is breakdown of all the vital functions. So this would be the last method to survive the patient. Here, while instituting this ECMO procedure, you need to know where is a cannulation being placed. Is it an arterial cannulation or a venous cannulation? For the insertion, you will have separate codes. For the maintenance, you have separate codes. And for the removal, you have separate codes. Next comes is devices, assist devices. Say a patient who is going to be subject to a CABG tomorrow or a valve replacement procedure the next day. Today, they might be doing this CVAD procedure, plus they might be doing some assisting device procedures like say a VAD, ventricular assist device, or an aortic pump. What happens is these devices are placed prior to the operation, which gives energy to the ventricle to pump or to act more efficiently. Or when there is a ventricular failure, they might resort to such procedures in order to make the surgery a successful one.